efforts after January's deadly ice storm. Nearly 2 weeks after that snow and ice ravaged Nashville's greenery, Cheekwood Estate and Gardens allowed News 2 on the property for the very first time. Many historic trees were impacted by the ice storm there. Some of the most significant damage includes a red oak tree that stood in front of the house, that mansion there, for the last 100 years. The tree will need to come down after a significant crack was found on its side. And the white oak tree next to it did survive. In total, there are well over 2,000 trees on this property. When asked exactly how many were damaged, this was Davey Tree Expert Company's response.
It's widespread, and the efforts are ongoing. We're assessing trees as we're moving forward. This was a very unique event, and with the amount of ice that we had, a quarter-inch to a half-inch of ice can impact a tree, adding 10 to 100 times the load that those stems are used to supporting.
Cheekwood says it is committed to planting a new tree to replace every loss. There is no timeline on when Cheekwood will be back open to the public.